Hello, Mike Innovative Garage Door. We're going to show you the 16x7 Hormann 3200 in gray with standard DSB glass. That's non-insulated glass. In long panel, just beautiful door here. Love the gray. Hides dirt well. And it's unique. Not everybody has gray. This door will be complemented by an LDC 0800 belt system, belt drive by Linear. That's why it's so awesomely quiet. Our standard package does include 3.5-inch bottom astragal. Our German engineered skirted nylon 11-ball wheel, not like competitors, it's a little bit better. The 11-gauge hardware, step plate lift handle, operator bracket mounted. We'll put a lock nut on there. That's just to get this up and running here for the video. Photo eyes down there, and obviously weather seal will be included. There's a 30,000 cycle spring on here, 5 years parts and labor warranty. For all your garage door needs, call Innovative Door 630-271-9343, like it says right there on the truck. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. 650 Ogden is the headquarters in Downers Grove. Thank you for watching our 16x7 3200 gray video with standard DSB glass, and as always I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching.